Hi friends, welcome back to the SK solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel friends. Select top plane, sketch, select circle, select both the circles, give the equal constraint, again select both the midpoint, give vertical constraint, select line, trim unwanted lines. So give the dimension, this is 62 mm, diameter is 25 mm, and again you can see there is a small 2 holes, that is dia 11 mm. For that, create circle, give the dimension 11 mm, select this circle and this circle, give the equal constraint, select origin point, select circle midpoint, give vertical constraint, again select origin center point, select midpoint, give horizontal constraint. Sketch is fully defined. Select extrude up to 12 mm, click OK. Then you can see there is a one flange, dimensions is 40, 12 and 50 mm length. Select this surface, sketch, normal, select rectangle, give the dimension, this is 12 mm, length is 50 mm, select midpoint of the rectangle and select origin point, give horizontal constraint. Sketch is fully defined, finish sketch, select extrude up to 40 mm. After that you can see there is a 1/5 flange, that dimensions is dia 35 and 25 mm, and from base to here 62 mm and length is 24 mm. For that, select this surface, sketch, normal, select circle, give the dimension 35 mm and this is 25 mm. From here to here 62, select midpoint and select origin point, give horizontal constraint. Sketch is fully defined, finish sketch, extrude, here select mid plane, give 24 mm length, click OK. You can see there is a rib to connect the pipes, so for that select same surface, sketch, select line, give line and circle, tangent constraint, select this circle and this convert entities, finish sketch, extrude, reverse the direction, give dimension 12 mm. click OK. Now remaining rib, you can see there is a rib that is 12 mm. Select front plane, sketch, select line, finish sketch, select here rib, thickness is 12 mm, finish. We can compare, friends, all the features are added. Now we can assign the material. Which material you want, you can assign here. I will go with steel. In the steel, I will go with polished steel. If you want, you can change, you can give some good color here, friends. See, save the part. So that's it, friend, today's session. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video, friends.